in my pocket. I'll put these two. Where's the other bullet?
There, you took both of them.
No, it's in my hand. This is the heavy gun I have. This is a heavy gun. See if we can get it like this. That's it.
Try again.
Where's the other bullet? Yeah. Ow! That hurts. Ow! What?
Oh.
What was that? It got into a different thing when it went in here.
Oh my.
How did it do that?
I don't know. That's pretty silly. Your gun jammed.
That didn't work.
No.
How did it do that? Funny, silly gun. I'll try it. I'll try to get up there.
No.